everyone! In this video, we're heading out on a 2-day trip from Tokyo to meet Thomas the Tank Engine and his friends at the Oigawa Railway in Shizuoka, Japan. In this video, I'll show you how to get from Tokyo Station to Shin-Kanaya Station, where Thomas and his friends are. Let's go! First, travel by Shinkansen from Tokyo Station to Shizuoka Station. To board the Shinkansen, you need to go through a special Shinkansen ticket gate. However, Tokyo Station is a huge terminal station, so it can be hard to know where to go. If you're taking the Shinkansen to Shizuoka, follow this light blue train sign as a landmark, and you'll be able to get to the special Shinkansen ticket gate. Once you go through the ticket gate, you'll be given a ticket, so be sure to take it. This ticket will have information about the Shinkansen train you'll be boarding and your seat. If you have reserved a seat, the Shinkansen information will be on the ticket, so check the platform number against the electronic display. If you have a non-reserved seat, you need to pay attention to which Shinkansen you are taking. The one that stops at Shizuoka Station is definitely the Kodama Shinkansen. The first bullet train to Shizuoka leaves from Tokyo Station, so except during peak season, it's easy to get a seat, even in the unreserved section. What's more, unreserved seats are cheaper than reserved seats. The seat I'd recommend is Seat E. If you're lucky, you'll get a good view of Mount Fuji from this seat. It's rare to get a clear view of Mount Fuji in the summer, though. You'll be lucky if you can see it. We've arrived at Shizuoka Station. At Shizuoka Station, we'll transfer to the Tokaido line. First, let's go down these stairs. When you go down the stairs, you will see signs and arrows that say transfer to the Tokaido line, so follow them. This is the ticket gate for transferring to the Tokaido line. From here, take the train heading towards Hamamatsu, Toyohashi. Let's go up here. The train came at the right time. From Shizuoka Station to the next transfer station, Kanaya Station. It takes just over 30 minutes and involves 8 local train stops. The trains here have different colors and designs than those in the Kanto region, so it's a great way to relax and enjoy the scenery outside the window. Well, we have arrived at Kanaya Station. After getting off at Kanaya Station, walk towards the stairs leading down. There was also a sign that said transfer to Oigawa Railway. We'll go down these stairs. Once you go down the stairs, turn left. The passage is narrow, and it might make you feel uneasy, but if you just follow everyone, you'll be fine. If you go all the way to the end of the corridor, you'll see a sign that says transfer to Oigawa Railway. Go up these stairs. Once you've gone up the stairs, make a U-turn and go in the opposite direction to the exit. The transfer gate is just around the corner. This is the transfer gate. Pass your ticket through the gate and proceed. From here onwards, the line becomes the Oigawa Railway, so you will need to purchase a ticket to Shin-Kanaya Station at the ticket counter. At the ticket counter, say Shin-Kanaya and show the number of tickets you need with your hand to buy a ticket. You will need cash on the Oigawa Railway. Make sure you have plenty of 1,000 yen bills and coins. Shin-Kanaya Station, where you can meet Thomas and his friends, is the next station. The Oigawa Railway has very few trains, so it's important to check the timetable carefully in advance. I've included the URL of the Oigawa Railway's website in the description section, so I recommend checking it out in advance. I'll also include the times I got on and off the train, so please use this as a reference. The Oigawa Railway also collects and uses vehicles that are no longer in use all over Japan. It's truly a moving railway museum that you can ride. In addition to Thomas and his friends, there are many other unusual vehicles still in use, so I hope you will enjoy trains other than Thomas Thomas and his friends as well. Now let's get on board. I recommend a seat on the left side of this train. You'll understand the reason when you get closer to Shin-Kanaya Station. Stay tuned! The train will soon arrive at Shin-Kanaya Station. When you see these old buildings and trains, look out the window. Look! There's Thomas over there. It looks like it's just about time for it to rotate on the turntable. You hold a Thomas fare there, and if you pay a fee, you can get a close-up look at Thomas on the turntable. We arrived at Shinkanaya Station. After this, we will board Thomas after receiving our return express ticket. From here, we'll fast forward to the ticket building. Hand your ticket to the station attendant at the ticket gate and exit the station. Once you go outside, turn left, and you will see Plaza Loco. There I will pick up my reserved express ticket for the return train. Look, there's Birdie the red bus. Apparently you can ride Birdie if you join the tour. See you, Birdie. Tickets for the Thomas train can be purchased in advance. If there are seats available, you can purchase tickets on the day online or at the ticket counter. For more details, see ticket information in the overview section. This is the return express ticket. There are also lots of Thomas-related souvenirs available at Plaza Loco. When I went outside, Thomas was just pulling into the station. It's finally time to ride Thomas. And that's the end of this video. I've shown you how to get from Tokyo to Shinkanaya Station, where Thomas and his friends live. What do you think? It takes about 2.5 hours to meet Thomas and his friends from Tokyo Station, with 2 transfers. Don't you think that's surprisingly close? In the next video, we'll finally ride the Thomas train.